On the Pfaff Quilt Ambition 2.0 sewing machine, there is a knob to manually adjust the pressure of the foot. So sometimes I want the foot to not come down as firm against the fabric. So right up here there's an N and you can turn it. If it goes to a higher number, that's going to be more pressure. And if you turn it to a lower number, it will be less pressure. Now, I'll tell you the truth, because the Pfaff has a wonderful IDT system that helps keep all the layers coming together, I don't use it as much, but I am so happy that they have put it on this machine, because you never know when one fabric just becomes a little unruly and you need to make sure that the foot is not pushing down as much, like something really light and stretchy. It might come out a little wavy if you can't take the time to maybe loosen it. Now, as you turn it, you might make a little note of how many turns you actually went to the right or to the left, so you can get it right back to its normal setting when you're done adjusting it.